All right, so now that you have listened to or read Chapter 1 of Watson's, we're going to do some vocabulary practice, okay? So we're going to look at a couple different words here. Some of this is going to be Googling these words. Some of this is going to be finding the sentences in the book, okay? So I know right now in my video you can't see, but I will put the page numbers where you can find these words here, okay? So we'll start with number 1 here, generate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, if you remember this from holes, you might, it's not be familiar. So what you are going to do is you are going to, whatever the word is, you're going to Google it, generate, and we are going to copy and paste the definition. Okay, so oops, did not mean to do that one. Generate means to pretty much make something happen, right? So cause something to rise or come about, so to cause something to happen. So definition, we'll copy, we'll paste it. Now obviously this is too big right here, so what I will do is I will shrink that a little bit. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to put the sentence where that the author uses here. Okay. So I'm going to put this in quotes because we did not say this, the author did. Dad said this would generate a little heat. Okay, so there's generate right there. Dad's saying pretty much that that this is going to create a little bit of heat. Okay, so that is what you're going to do for the rest of these here: delinquent, landlord, and reflection. Okay. When you have finished those, you're all good for today. Make sure you've listened to the reading, and that's all we're going to do for today. We will talk about Watson's Chapter 1 tomorrow during our Google Meet. Okay, so if you have any questions on anything for today, come to office hours. All right.